if you are a Elliott wave trader or wishes to learn Elliott wave theory, have interest in Elliott wave, it will be highly beneficial for you. I put much efforts to bring this practical knowledge to you all. I hope you like this video. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's date is 24th August and Nifty is trading around 19,446. So in today's video, we are going to see few stocks which you have commented in our previous videos. Kindly watch the video fully for more understanding and learnings. And before proceeding, kindly note that this is not any recommendation. So my main intention is to how to use that Elliott wave theory in our real-time charts. With that help of that Elliott wave theory, how we can take some informed decisions in financial markets. So this is my intention. So don't take it as any recommendations. The first stock we are going to analyze today is BHEL. So I start with monthly. See, okay, if you see this, some impulse pattern has been completed here and the price has been declining from 2007. From 2007, the price is still in downtrend only. So we will count this correction part. So here A, B, C, okay, wait. A, B, C, W, X, and A, B, C. So probably the correction would have ended here, this zone. So we will start counting from this 2020 low. I'll move to weekly chart. In weekly chart, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In analyzing your Elliott waves, give importance to the personality of the waves. In 95% situations, the wave 3 will be steep and straight. So from that, you can easily understand it is wave 3. So here, see this movement and these candles. So this is probably wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this could be wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3 in progress. Usually wave 2 retraces 50% to 61.8% of wave 1. We'll see here. So exactly the wave 2 retraces 61.8%. And the price moves. Maybe this is 1, 2, and 3 of 3. If it is 1, 2, 3, can we check the fib numbers here? The price reached exactly 50% retracement. This information you can be seen everywhere in every time frame. Wave 2 mostly retraces 50% to 61.8%. Okay. If it is 1, 2, 3, I will give an alternate count also. It may be A, B, C also, because since the X zone is not yet crossed, we can count it as A, B, C also. It's an alternate. Okay. Now we are assuming that the correction has been over and we are moving in 1, 2, and 3. So how? So third wave can go. And move this. So far reached 100% of this wave 1 and still moving. So I put 1.618 level. This 140 level comes here. And if we take this from this level, so approximately comes around 140 to 145. So we can expect the wave 3 can end here, and a 4 and 5. Okay, this is the expected price movement. So we should monitor the price actions always. So this is the probable movement. Okay, either A, B, C or 1, 2, 3 can end here. Okay, this is Bharat Heavy Electricals. In hourly, we can take it as this as a low point, wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. It can be wave 4 and wave 5. So this, in this case, wave 2 reached, see again here, I just take randomly, nothing planned, 61.8% retracement of wave 2, and as I said before, wave 3 will be mostly straight. Our main, we need to try to capture this move. So after a fall, you can see here ABC. If a fall is ABC, I mean in 3 waves, the prior trend is still intact, that is uptrend. Okay, these are few things you have it while analyzing your charts. Okay, you just check how far the wave 3 have been passed. See, 1.618. So in most of the cases, waves and fibs work like a magic. Okay, so now we can expect a wave 4 now. Already reached 23.6%. So we can expect 107 zone, because wave 2 is deep, almost went below 61.8. So it can reach 107 and we can move in wave 5. Okay. Okay. So next stock is ITC. Actually, I analyzed ITC and posted in Twitter 2 weeks before, but okay. Now, so this is monthly chart of ITC. 2, 3, this sideways is 4 and 5. So this entire thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this entire thing can be in big wave 1. Okay. And this can be wave 2. How much wave 2 has been retraced? Again, 61.8%. So we can conclude that this is wave 1 and wave 2. Don't think it is very short. I'm using log chart. I just remove the log chart now. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is wave 1 and A, B, C wave 2, and it reached 61.8 retracement, and we are going in wave 3. As we know, wave 3 will be always steep. And one more thing, I am using again log chart now. One more hint. If you find the first wave as a leading diagonal, okay, that is a rising wedge, that retracement mostly ends in this wave 4, and the upcoming third will be very steep and prolonged. Okay, just have it in your mind. If you find in whatever time frame, hourly or whatever, if you find an leading diagonal in wave 1 and the wave 2 mostly supported that's in this area, that is wave 4 low, and the next rally, that is the wave 3 will be steep. It will move beyond, that is, we have an extended, most probably after a leading diagonal we have an extended wave 3. Okay, so in this case the wave 2 will not be deep. Mostly it will get supported 38 to 50% in case of leading diagonals. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 2, and is 1 2 3 4 5. Probably the third wave has been completed. Let's check. It has been crossed 1.61, right, which is the minimum requirement for a leading diagonal. And okay, exactly 2.236 levels. So it's wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, and a wave 4 and a wave 5. So wave 4 this is the low of wave 2. Okay, so from this low 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 and 1 2 3. Okay, so there is possibility of still wave 3 may have a one more leg up. I'm not sure, but just have an option, because there is no big dip in wave 4. Everything is steep now, so the entire seem to be wave 3. So wait, so this is wave 1, wave 2, 1 2 3 4 5 3, and if this is 4 1 2, probably this is 5. I will change the color. Either 3 completed here, or we may have one more leg up. We need to see. So if it is 4th in that subwave, 1 2 3 4 5. So wave 4 will retrace 38 to 50%. Yes, it came below 38% because the wave 2 is not deep. It reached only 38%. So yes, we have an option here, and also on channel support. Probably we may have one more leg up for completion of the third wave, and we can come down in 4th. Okay, have it in watch list. We may have one more leg up and come down, or if not crosses higher high, come down. 3 has been ended here. Anyway, we are so the point is we already completed the third or at near end of third. So just have it in that idea. And one more interesting thing while analyzing this chart is I said this entire rally is wave 1 and wave 2. Okay, if you see this, the recent wave 3 has already reached 100% of this entire wave 1. That is why the price is halting there. So probably one more touch for completion of wave 3, as we just saw now, or already completed the wave 3 and dip, and we have one more leg, bigger leg up to complete. So this wave 3 has already reached 100% of this wave 1. If you notice, it will be right. This is halting now, but it seems to be 1 and 2. Even though the third has ended here, we have a 4 and 5. So this is the analysis of ITC. And the next one is HDFC Bank. I use log chart. These kind of charts, little tricky, and we should make some assumptions. Okay, I take off this log. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2, and this entire rally is 3, 4 and 5. If we take like this, wait, I draw this line. I'm saying if we take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bigger 1, bigger 2, is this reached? Okay, this retracement also reached more than 50%, so we can take. So if it is wave 1, say, let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and this rally is 3, 4 and 5 completed or not, we need to see. I take off this log now. Just I mark this level for knowing the wave 1 completion. In I mark this level because if we take off the log, we're not able to find that. So that's why I marked here. So now you can understand. So wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3 and wave 4. 5 ended or not. That's our point now. Okay, then we can analyze from this low, that is from 2020 low. Okay. I use daily chart for more clarity. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In most of the charts, because in Nifty also from 2020 low, you can find a leading diagonal. That's why we got a very big rally in 2020. So leading diagonal. We just saw the leading diagonal in ITC. So if you get a leading diagonal, the wave 2 mostly retraces in 38 to 50%. Here see, exactly the wave 2 reaches 38.2% and started its third wave up. So I mark it like this: 1, 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5. So either it could be in fifth wave ending or 1 of 5. Okay, we don't think that after this entire fall is coming. No, it can be 1 of 5 and 2 of 5 and 3 of 5. Okay, this is a big cycle. Okay, so no, this is not 5. This is just 1 of 5. Okay, this is just 1 of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave completed. Okay, this wave 2 reached not even 50%. It crossed below the wave 4 low and take support here. Okay, whether we have completed the correction or still we have pending correction. If you analyze this correction part, this could be 1 A, B, C and X and A, B, C. Even though if we take it as W, X, Y. After this, see, this is not okay, fine. We know how the wave 3 will react. Okay. Just imagine if it is wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3 should have moved like this, right? But this move is not like wave 3. So I'm not that much confident that the correction has been completed. You see any clear patterns in weekly? See, we have seen only here 3 wave. Even though if we take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay, see this fourth low touches the top of wave 1, so we cannot call it as wave 4 now. Okay, so it's kind of 3-wave move. So there could be a possibility of ABC. Yes, because these moves not seems to be impulsive. That's the only reason. So in daily, if we take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, can be 5, 3, 5 zigzag. How far this A and B, A relates to C? (1.382 times of wave A). So yes, we have this option now. Let's see if the price trades below this level, that is 1530, take it as 1500, that is below of wave 1. See, one more point. If it is wave 1, okay, if it is wave 1, still we are bullish. Wave 1, 2, can be 3. If it comes below this point, this cannot be wave 3 and cannot be wave 4 because it touches the high of wave 1. Okay, so that means it's not an impulse, and in Elliott wave simple terms, if it is not an impulse move, then it should be corrective. So taking that point, have this point as decision making area, this low. We should watch this level for further reading. Okay, so this is the case of HDFC Bank, and the next one is Globus Spirits. Globus Spirits. Okay, so again, this is third wave. Before analyzing, we can decide this is third wave. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, this is what we are seeing in monthly. We go not much data, so we move to weekly. One, 2, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This bigger wave 2 reaches more than 78.6%. So this is entire 5 waves is wave 1 and wave 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. See, we have this option now. Okay, 1 minute, I will remove this log chart. Yes, we cannot get this kind of wave 4 now. So wait. So this is one possibility. A 5 wave has been completed. A possibility, okay? One more option is the third wave is completed, and fourth and fifth. Okay, if we take this option, the price is turning here. Okay, any relation with Fibs? Any 61.8%? Yes, almost 61.8 retracement. It turning from this. Maybe it's maybe an A, B, C. Okay. Either entire 5 wave has been completed here. Okay. There is one possibility, 1, 5, and ABC. And the retracement we look forward is this level, 694, 700 zone. Or this is only third wave. And this is fourth. So can we see if it is in 5 wave move from this low? Wait. No. It's not seen to be in 5 wave. 1, 2, 3 only. So ABC. So possibly ABC. One more down is, yes, possible. I take this as my primary count. Okay, ABC. And if we go to daily, if it is ABC, this A wave relates to C wave, 2.382% relates. Okay, the C wave reached 2.382% of wave A. And now, if you see this, if you count from this top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we may ended the wave 1 now, and we may retrace wave 2 and wave 3. So this is what the expectation now. So let's see how the price moves. Just study as we are analyzing now. You also have it in your watch list and keep counting your waves, not mine, your waves. There will be a low point and high point. If that price moves beyond that, we need to adjust the count. So likewise, we can change our count. Okay. And one more important point, there is no compulsion that wave count should not be changed. Wave counts should be changed as and once the price moves. Okay. As of now, this is the viewpoint. Let's see how the price moves. So to complete this Globus Spirits, so we may complete it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bigger correction may be pending. A, B, and C. In C, 1 has been almost completed, so there will be a bounce, and 3 may dump. This can be confirmed only once this level has been broken. So these are all theories we just watched on weekly basis. Next chart is Borosil Renewables. Okay, weekly chart. What is the low point here? This is 29.95. So this is 27.5. So this is the low. Okay. You always start your count from low point. So wave 1, 2. See the steepness. So this is the third wave. So wave 1, wave 2. This is 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Wait. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this is 1, and entire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 3, and this can be 4 and 5 upside. Check it with fib numbers. If this is wave 2 low, fourth wave 50%, exactly 50% the retracement done. I take this as the wave top of wave 5. Okay, that is 5 of 3, and possibly this can be an irregular flat A, B and C. We need to move higher. We need to see if there is any impulse move in this wave, or else, as we seen in Globus Spirits, this can become 3, 4 and 5. That is bigger 4 and 5. Okay. So we check that. We check that now. So I move to daily. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Since the wave 2 is shallow, wave 4 is big, acceptable, and wave 5. So we just cross check with Fibs. 61.8. Yes, can be acceptable. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. How much it has been retraced from wave? It almost is 78.6. Okay. Right. So if it is wave 1 and wave 2, okay, wave 1 and wave 2 and wave, if you're expecting a wave 3, okay, if it is wave 1 and wave 2 and we are expecting a wave 3, the price should not move beyond this level. Okay. So let me check in hourly. So if it is ABC, if it is A 3 wave B, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, possibly it has been completed, or one more down, because it's everything is looking very steep. So 1, 2, 3, 3. So these are two options now. So one completed a one more dip to reach the 78.6 and may move higher to this level. Okay. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a possible of wave 4 can retrace. Wait, I will remove all those for clarity. Okay. So if it is 1, 2, 3 from second low, there is a possibility of price may come to 459 levels and make one more lower to 420 or odd levels. Okay, we need to watch how this falls. Yes, to hold this bullish level, the price should not move below this 380. And for temporary, I mean for next move, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is moving, we are moving approximately to up to 460 and a down and move up. So let's see how it moves. So next and final stock is Granules. Okay. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 clear. A clear 5-wave rise has been seen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and this 4 and 5. 5 completed or not? That's again the same question. This is also a very big 4th wave. Okay, let's we analyze from this low. That is 2018 low. That is the end of wave 4 low. I move to daily now. Okay, if it is wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, not possible. It touches this point. So wave 1, A, B, C, 2, and this entire thing as 3, or this is 3, smaller 4 and 5, because this is not seem to be in minor wave 4 of this swing. Possibly we have completed this 5 here. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-wave impulse has been completed. Let's count this correction. So A, B, C, A, B, C, and A, B, C. So W, X, Y. Okay. W, X, Y. And from this point, if we find any impulse, it will be good. 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is 1, it's like seem to be a 3-way move. Like A, B, C. Then it can be, okay. It may change to be W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, X, and Z. This is one possibility now. Because I can see only 3-way move here. I can see only a 3-way move. And if it is A, in this Z wave, if it is A, B, and C, because I can see only again 3-wave. If it is impulse, this drop, this correction should not come below this point. So if it is A, B, C, it reached 50% exactly. And if you take this A, B, C, if we have relation with this level, exactly 1.382 levels. Okay, so now our confirmation point is this point, because this is A, B, C. Okay. If it break this level 270 zone, yes, we are still in a one more correction leg. Okay. So let's see. Two, 3, 4, 5. The entire 5 wave has been corrected. We should have a bigger correction. In that bigger correction, we already reached 50%. If we take 61% that is 167. Yes, we can reach 217. So if it is bigger 5 wave, the correction may be 50% to 61%. In this, we have already reached 50%. If it is not impulsive and crossing above this 372, we may see one more down to 217 levels. So we need to monitor how this price moves. Okay. It's like 3-wave move only, because the price also not cross this X. Before crossing this X, the price again fall in 3 waves, and moment everything is moving in three waves. So if the price moves in 3 waves, that most probably will be the corrective waves. So yes, this is the Granules chart. We need to wait for 270. If the price closes below 273, yes, we may see one more fall to 217 levels. To negate, the price need to move above this X level. Today we saw at least 5 to 6 charts, and I believe you like this video and learned something from Elliott wave. So my intention is, yes, how to use this Elliott wave theory in real-time charts, and how to think the probabilities, and where is the level we need to change our wave counts. So I try to communicate all these things in this video, and by analyzing more charts, since every chart will be mostly different, we get to know a lot of things. So that's the reason I waited for 5 to 6 charts to have it in one video. I believe you like this video. I put a lot of efforts to do this video and analysis. If you like my work, kindly subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends, so that they also can benefit from the Elliott wave theory. If you are a Elliott wave trader or wishes to learn Elliott wave theory, have interest in Elliott wave, it will be highly beneficial for you. I put much efforts to bring this practical knowledge to you all. I hope you like this video. So good luck in your trading and investing journey. Thank you. Bye.